Dito naman natin di-discuss yung um, Royal Malaysian Police Organization. And yung una is yung Management Department. The Management Department is tasked with the routine management and administration affair of the Malaysian. This department is also the nerve center of the RMP and act as the support service platform from the rest of the force. Yun nga, ito naman yung responsible naman to sa management for recruitment personnel, human resources, and sila rin yung responsible for training, discipline, and welfare sa mga RMP personnel. Then yung pangalawa naman, yung logical department, has the rule providing several equipment needed in RMP or yung Royal Malaysian Police. Ito naman yung logical department naman, sila naman yung responsible for providing necessary equipment like technology and logical support for the rest operation ng mga Royal Malaysian Police. Madalas, itong pinagsama sa Department of Support upang suportahan ang buong person ng Royal Malaysian Police. And then yung pangatlo naman is yung Criminal Investigation Division. Deal with the investigation, arrest, and prosecution of hard crime like murder, robbery, rape, etc. and petty crime like theft, housebreaking, etc. This department also specialize in gambling, vice, and secret societies. And sila naman yung nag-handle for responsible for investigation sa mga serious crime and general crime. Same sila ng responsible ng PNP, Criminal Investigation and Detection Group o yung CIDG dito sa Pilipinas kasi nagkakandak din sila ng mga handling major crime and serious crime. Yan yung pang-apat naman is yung Narcotic Criminal Investigation Division. This department function is to fight against dangerous drug by enforcing the law to stop and reduce the demand and supply of dangerous drug. Ito naman sila naman yung nag-handle for responsible investigator for drug trafficking and addiction, including and identifying syndicate and conduct raid sa mga drug labs. Katulad lang din ito ng PDEA dito sa Pilipinas or yung yun nga, PDEA, Philippine Drugs Enforcement Agency. And yung panglima naman is yung Internal Security and Public Order Department, responsible for trafficking control and search and rescue, SIR or operation. Ito naman, sila naman yung one of the unit under the Malaysian Ministry of House Affairs. Sila yung responsible for maintaining law or maintaining order and public safety and national security. Yung palawang responsible naman ng International Security and Public Order Department is yung sila yung nagmamanage din ng search and rescue kasi sila rin yung nagmamanage ng unit like Marine Operation and General Operation Force.
Federal Reserve Unit. Mali pasukan simpanan persekutan. Its role is right to suppression, fraud control, and disaster relief and rescue, as well as Special Operation Assistant, organized in 1955. The Federal Reserve Unit, or better known by the abbreviation as FRU, is a right control force and a paramilitary special response team that can be deployed at any time to engage in any emergency or public unrest in Malaysia. Then is CPOR Implementation System, abbreviation for Command, Control, and Communication Computer Integrated Base at Police Control Center. In all police contingent in Malaysia, this unit is assigned to patrol the city at the suburbs. Based on the search results in the Malaysian context, the generally refers to two district areas: the Center to Combat Corruption and Crimes, CPOR Center, a prominent civil and society organization, and Command, Control, and Communication and Coordination. 11 is the Marine Operation Force or Mali Pasukan Jarakan Marine, takes with maintaining law and order and coordination, search and rescue operation in the Malaysian Marine Zone. The Police Force Royal Malaysia. Police is the Marine Force division of the Royal Malaysia Police tasked with maintaining law and order and execute national security operation in the Malaysia. 12 is Royal Malaysian Police Air Wing Unit or Unit Judara PDRM is a special unit of Royal Malaysia Police with a vital role in maintaining national security with rural surveillance and patrol from the air. Is a special air branch of the Royal Malaysia Police PDRM responsible for surveillance, air patrol, and supporting ground operation. The 13 is special branch. This department is responsibility for collecting intelligence for national security. The Malaysian Special Branch is the primary intelligence unit of the Royal Malaysia Police na established in 1948 to combat the communist insurgents. Nag-focus on collecting internal and external intelligence to counter threat and terrorism. 15 is Commercial Crimes Investigation Department. This department main function is to investigate, arrest, and prosecute offenders committing white-collar crimes such as fraud, breach and trust, cybercrimes, and forgery, counterfeiting, etc. Special police of government units focus on combating non-violent and financially motivated offenses like corporate fraud and money laundering and embezzlement. 16 is Mountain Police. Police who control on horseback or camelback. They continue to serve in remote areas and in metropolitan areas where their day-to-day function pictures go or ceremonial, but they also employed in crowd control because of their mobile mass and height advantage. Mounted unit are police or officer who patrol on horseback. Their day-to-day function is typically ceremonial, but they are also employed in crowd control because of their mobile mass and height advantage. Mountain police may be employed for specialized duties ranging from patrol of parks and wilderness areas. And
Singapore. Francis James Bernard formed the Skeleton Force as the heritage of Singapore Police Force in 1819. Singapore Police Force (SPF) is the mainly agency tasked with the maintaining law and order in the city-state. It is formerly known as Republic of Singapore Police, organized with split staff 15 and line function 13 roughly modeled after the military. Name of government: Republic. Capital: Singapore. Organizational name: Singapore Police Force. Agency: Ministry of Internal Affairs. Structure: centralized. Founded 1946 but originally 1819 by Francisco James Bernard. Entrance age: 18 to 30 years old. Retirement age: 50 years old. Minimum rank: Police Constable. Highest rank: Commissioner of Police. Minimum qualification: pass at least 5 secondary school exam for senior rank college degree. This is my explanation. The Singapore Police Force. The Singapore Police Force traces its origin to 1819 when Francis James Bernard formed the early security structure. It was formally organized in 1946 and developed into a modern police force modeled partly after military system. Singapore is the republic with a centralized government system. The Singapore Police Force operate under the Ministry of Internal Affairs and follow a centralized command structure for efficiency and coordination. The SPF has a structured ranking system. The entry-level rank is Police Constable, while the highest position is Commissioner of Police. The organizational is divided into staff and operational line function for better management. Applicant must be between 18 and 30 years old. The retirement age is 50. Candidates must pass at least 5 secondary school examination, while higher rank require a college degree. Basic training lastly approximately 6 months. The main mission of the Singapore Police Force is to protect the people of Singapore from crime and all forms of criminal harm. The SPF ensures peace, order, and public safety throughout the country. In the conclusion, the Singapore Police Force is known for efficiency, discipline, and strong centralized system. It plays a key role in maintaining Singapore's reputation as one of the safety countries in the world.